Samsung Galaxy M41. The Samsung Galaxy M41 has been provided in a mid-range budget. Despite the affordable budget, it has given all the features that make it a complete handset. There is a huge battery capacity to keep the device running all day long. The cameras are also good at this price, while it delivers amazing performance as well. Overall, it is a good handset, but beware of the absence of a fast charging feature. Mid-range smartphone display and camera. Samsung Galaxy M41 has been provided with a 6.3-inch IPS LCD display that bears a screen resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels along with a density of 409 ppi. It offers a superb viewing experience with the help of Full HD resolution. In terms of optics, the smartphone has been provided with triple rear camera setup having 6.4MP main lens followed by 1.2MP and 5MP secondary cameras. It is one of the best offering from Samsung in a budget that provides such an amazing photography experience. At the front, it has 2.4MP selfie camera that can also click quite good selfie pictures with a crisp and beautiful finish. Battery and configuration. Supporting the device is a Li-ion battery that has a capacity of 4100 mAh. It can last for more than a day even with heavy usage. However, there is no fast charging support. In terms of performance, Galaxy M41 has been equipped with an octa-core processor that clocks up to 2.3 GHz speed. It is seated upon a Samsung Exynos 9-octa 9609 chipset and is further assisted by Mali G72MP3 GPU for graphical requirements. The device has a 6GB RAM that offers amazing gaming and multitasking capabilities. Storage and connectivity. Samsung Galaxy M41 has been provided with an inbuilt storage of 128GB in which users can keep their files and data or apps, games and more. It also has an expandable memory slot that can support up to 512GB with the help of a micro SD card. In terms of connectivity, the smartphone supports Wi-Fi 802.11 b/g/n, Bluetooth, GPS, mobile hotspot, etc. It has 4G network support too with VoLTE connectivity. Samsung Galaxy M41. Samsung Galaxy M41 price is expected to be $313.33, 22,990 rupees. Samsung Galaxy M41 expected to be launched on March 18, 2020. This is 6GB RAM base variant of Samsung Galaxy M41 which is expected to available in black color. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.